Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stenovec along with Carol Massar. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move. Today, joining us now is Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Emily Griffeo. She joins us here in the studio. Emily, company's still reporting earnings, and that's causing stocks to make some pretty big moves.
Yeah, that's usually what tends to happen.
But I said still because it's like really the tail end of earnings season.
Captain Obvious.
Wow. So surrounded by people who are so kind. I love it.
Yeah, it's been a pretty good earnings season for most of the S&P 500 companies, companies beating on EPS. But Salesforce is a stock that's not doing too well. The ticker is CRM. It's down about 5%, biggest drop since April, and it was down as much as about 8.5%. They projected lackluster quarterly sales growth. They see revenue $10.2 billion to about $10.29 billion, which was the estimate. So they didn't miss that much, but the talk on Wall Street now is that this is kind of sparking a little bit of an AI anxiety. They're an incumbent software provider, and so there's this fear that maybe newer up-and-coming AI companies are going to be able to kind of beat out these incumbent SaaS
like
providers.
Maybe we won't need all their services, right?
Yeah.
AI will be doing it, which is kind of wild. You have good genes. Tim has good genes. I have good genes.
You gotta. God.
This is the talk.
Carol.
It's just an ad.
Yeah.
It's never just an ad in
I
2025,
think what we're learning,
Carol.
what the market is telling us, is that it is just an ad. And perhaps this is a lesson in, all publicity is good publicity at the end of the day.
Exactly.
Of course, we're talking about American Eagle, a record jump in the stock, ticker AEO. It's up 35%. It's actually the highest level since 2024 because the stock had been going down. It had been a rough ride for this retailer that's kind of known for like middle school clothes. At least that's how I think of it. But yeah, they came out. They said that they reported better than expected second quarter revenue, and they did attribute it to some success following the Sydney Sweeney ad campaign. Everyone was talking about it.
And Travis Kelce ad campaign.
Yes, and Travis Kelce.
Even the president was
well.
talking about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the president was talking about Cracker Barrel too, and that wasn't a good thing for the company.
You just have all these people and how much social media momentum over this. Like, thank you. It's incredible advertising.
Yeah, it feels a little bit like meme stocky. It definitely has some hallmarks of that when you see a jump of this magnitude. But yeah, a record high in American Eagle right now.
All right. I love that you're going to go to this next one because it's among the most read story on the Bloomberg terminal. T. Rowe Price, just got about 30 seconds.
Yeah, T. Rowe Price, ticker TROW. It's up about 6% right now. It was up over 12% on a partnership with Goldman Sachs. Goldman is going to be investing as much as $1 billion in T. Rowe, and they're basically partnering up to sell private market products to retail investors. This is the theme of 2025. Everyone on Wall Street trying to package up private markets and sell it to anyone who's willing to buy. So even if that means teaming up with kind of someone who's a competitor, it's a move that Wall Street.
How's it going to end, Carol?
Strange bedfellow. I know. John Tucker this morning. What could go wrong? What could go wrong?
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.